Hi guys. In about a week, Samsung will officially show us all the brand new entries in the flagship Galaxy S series. Along with the anticipated Samsung Galaxy S20 and Galaxy S20 Plus, we also expect a new variant to emerge known, for now, anyway, as the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. Before that, please make sure that you subscribe our channel and hit the like button. Thank you. In a nutshell, the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra is the phone for people who thought the Galaxy S10 Plus was too much of a mid-ranger for them. The S20 Ultra will likely be such a specs monster that it's possible we won't see any other phone this year that can top it. Display 6.9-inch Dynamic AMOLED. WQHD Plus resolution, 3200 by 1440. Processor Qualcomm Snapdragon 865. Exynos 990. Processor depends on region. RAM 12 or 16 GB. Storage 128, 256, or 512 GB UFS 3.0. MicroSD slot up to 1 TB. Cameras rear. 108MP primary. 48MP telephoto. 12MP ultra-wide. TOF sensor. 10x optical zoom, up to 100x digital zoom, up to 8K 30fps video recording. Front. 40MP sensor. Up to 4K 60fps video recording. Battery 5,000 mAh. For years now, the Galaxy S line has been the go-to brand for general consumers who want the absolute best of Android. The phones have the fastest processors, the best features, top-of-the-line cameras, and, most importantly, are available around the world and work on nearly every carrier. For the professionals who want all of that but with some additional features catered towards business, Samsung offers the Galaxy Note series. The included S Pen stylus makes giving presentations a breeze, and the high price of the phone is a lot more palatable for those professionals who are able to write it off as a necessary work expense. The Galaxy S20 Ultra, though, doesn't really fit with any demographic. It's possible Samsung will market it to people who work in creative fields, such as video production. The 108MP camera sensor and the ability to record 8K video seem like the kind of features creatives would appreciate. But are creatives even looking for a smartphone that can do those things? It's not like they're going to leave their DSLR at the studio and record a wedding on their smartphone. Perhaps Samsung is simply hoping there are enough die-hard Android fans who will shell out big bucks for a phone with maxed-out specs. That seems like a stretch, but it is possible. The issue I'm struggling with is that just last year, Samsung was banking on people wanting to spend less on flagship smartphones, which is why the Samsung Galaxy S10 existed. Now, in 2020, Samsung is likely not releasing a Galaxy S20e and instead tipping the scales in the complete opposite direction and offering consumers a bigger, far more expensive alternative.